Welcome to this short Pilates class focusing on a full body stretch, and as an option you can use a Bosu ball for the stretches. Hi, my name is Beth and welcome to Trifecta Pilates. If you're ready to begin this stretching class using a Bosu ball, join me on the mat. Let's go ahead and begin in a child's pose position. So hands on the Bosu, press your pelvis back into the heels of the feet, reach your arms forward, and take some breath here. So focus on your deep breathing in, long breath out. You may want to make adjustments with your arms, with your pelvis, with your legs, really allowing the arms to be as straight as possible here. Feel crown of the head reach forward, pelvis reach back. This is your opportunity to slow down. Focus on really nourishing aspects of breathing, of movements for stretching. In your next breath, roll yourself up. We're going to take one foot outside of the Bosu here. So you're in a wider open lunge position. Your hands can stay where they are or forearms come down, your choice. And just take some breath here. And sometimes I like to rock with it. So this is a slow intentional rock. It's not as quickly as we can move, because that slow rocking motion can help you just find some extra little areas that are holding on to tightness. Another breath here. Very nice. Then bring yourself up and we'll switch out our sides. So again, a wider position. Hands can stay up. I'm still feeling a nice stretch with hands on the Bosu. If you'd like, arms come down, forearms do. Breathing in and out. Imagining your spine is reaching forward, so it's not necessarily collapsing down. You're trying to still get length with the spine here. Deep breathing. Another breath. Very nice. Bring that leg back and we'll come back to the first position we began in. So that pressing back, head down, stretching. And now dip the elbows down, lift your chest up a little bit, maybe feel upper back, and then return the arms forward, reach down. So dip, you lift up like you're just peeking out of a little hole, and then lower down. Dip the elbows down, little lift. So this one maybe isn't so much of a stretch as feeling and sensing the upper back engage. And that's okay to squeeze that in right now. 2 more times. And 1 last time. Very nice. Roll yourself up. Again, take 1 foot forward to the outside. Give yourself that stretch. Now your back knee can stay down or tuck your toes. You're in a long lunge. Knee down or legs straight. Again, both hands stay down or bring your forearms down. So even though this wobbles a little bit, can still be a pretty stable surface for us. And again, if you'd like, you can do a few rocks with this. Breathing in and out. Another breath here. Very nice. Switch out your sides. So opposite foot forward. Your hands can stay down, your knee can stay down, or tuck your back toes, straighten that back leg, strength. So with a lot of stretches, there's still some strength that we want. Hands stay on or down on your forearms. Breathing. And again, you can do little rocks or stay still. If your back leg is lifted, it's nice and straight. Breathing deeply. Another breath here. Very nice. Knee down. And let's flip it. So flip your Bosu now. We'll have a seat on top of it. So even if you can do forward fold without this elevation, it's still a nice experience to lift that pelvis up a little bit. Take some breath. Inhale. Exhale. Soften the shoulders. As you continue breathing, pivot your shape forward. Give yourself that forward fold. So you decide, do you stay more natural curves or do you round? There's not a right or wrong. It's just you may feel different sensations depending upon the option you choose. And even though I can be in the forward fold, straight legs, pelvis down on the mat, with elevation, I still experience a stretch. Deep breath in, long breath out. Another breath here. Very nice. Bring yourself upright. And we'll take our heels wide. That's comfortable. Now I like to scooch just a little bit forward on this. Hands can go on the inside. Pressing elbows in to the thighs. Or you can just stay upright. Hands on the legs somewhere. So options. And again, even if you can do this squat without the Bosu, notice how it feels when your pelvis is elevated. Sometimes with this, you can then work on the rotation of the legs, more of an inner line stretch, pressing evenly into the feet. So this area can get really tight, the hip groin area. Another breath. Very nice. Bring yourself upright. And now open the legs wide. It doesn't have to be as wide as they can go. It can be a more narrow position. And give yourself that forward fold stretch once again. So you can go part way. You can go a little bit lower. Your choice. And again, rather than maybe just collapsing forward, even if you're in a rounding motion with your spine, there is an energetic length that we want. And the moment you let that spine go longer, energetically you'll feel it. And then you'll sense a much different sensation in your stretch. It's different than just kind of dumping your weight down. Deep breathing in. Long breath out. Your next breath, bring yourself upright. Bring your legs together. And you can go crisscross applesauce here. And again, you decide if you stay upright, maybe you just want to focus on this cross leg position and feeling really comfortable seated here. Or you take it into a stretch and pivot yourself forward. So if you want more of a stretch, you can kind of slide yourself forward a little bit so you're coming to the bottom edge of the Bosu, and then adjust the upper body and arm position. Deep breathing in and out. So you can stay right up on top of it, or you slid a little bit further forward. These are all just options. So we're getting lower body right now, but we want to make sure to get side body a little bit. So after we do this next stretch, we'll get into side body. Bring yourself upright, switch the cross, and stretch it on forward. Again, can you become longer? You feel your pelvis staying anchored down, then you reach and extend longer with your spine. Another breath. Then bring yourself upright, very nice. I'm going to flip this over once again so that it rocks with me. I want that rocking. In a kneeling position, heels together, and give yourself a side stretch, and I'm gonna rock it away a little bit and bend my arm. And then bring yourself up. So just fingertips, and they press down into it, bend my elbow, rock into the ball a little bit, and come right back up. One more time, stretch. And up. Now, if you'd like, extend opposite leg and stretch. So we're stretching away from your long leg and bring yourself up. Reach and stretch. And up. Another time. Reach and stretch. And up. Very nice. Switch out sides. You can just turn around if you'd like. And when you're ready, both knees underneath you and stretch over. So both knees staying down to begin with. And then stretch over. And up. And stretch over. And up if you'd like. Now extend that leg. Stretch over. And up. Use your breath. And one last time. Very nice. Since we have it this way, let's go ahead and have a seat on the top of it. The flat surface, a little wobbly again. And you can go back in to this stretch, heels down, sitting tall or forearms in, or bring the soles of the feet together and tip forward and give yourself a stretch here. And I like to gently, just with my arms, press the knees open. You can adjust where you are. If you slip down on the Bosu, that's okay. Long, deep breath. And look over one shoulder. Look over other shoulder. Rotate head side to side. Stay center, look down. Look up if that's comfortable. Down. And up. Last one. Very nice. Bring yourself upright. Just have a seat on the center of this, so you have to slide back a little bit. And arms wherever they feel comfortable. I'm going to turn just so I can face you. Take 3 deep breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Stay with the class. 2 more deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale. People want to know how to improve their Pilates practice. It's this right here. It's breathing. Inhale. And exhale. If you enjoyed that class, I think you're really going to like the 5-day Pilates challenge with a workout plan to increase strength and flexibility. 5 Pilates workouts sent straight to your inbox, and you won't find these classes on YouTube. This is a members only program that I know you're going to love. Click on the link in the first comment of this video to get started today. After you do that, if you enjoyed this class, give this video a like or leave a comment down below with your favorite part of the session. I hope that you have a beautiful day, and I can't wait for you to join me for the 5-day Pilates challenge.